So let's talk about creating a speech or presentation from scratch and even being able to add people that you'd like to emulate in the speech or presentation that you're giving. So let's start with this first prompt. I want to write a speech about the importance of content creation spoken in the style of Gary Vaynerchuk. And let's go ahead and make this speech 200 words and see what we get. Perfect, so we have our initial version for our speech, and it's written in the style of Gary Vaynerchuk. So you see, with the rise of social media and the internet, anyone can create content and reach millions of people with just a few clicks. And let me tell you, if you're not creating content, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to connect with your audience and showcase your unique talents and expertise. So super motivational, and you know how he speaks. So of course you would replace his name in this circumstance with your own personal name. And what I also want to add to this is adding notes where emphasis and emotional inflection points would work in this speech. So let's put in that prompt. So what it did is it went ahead and added notes to the speaker. So emphasize the words Gary V to establish authority and familiarity with your audience. The next note it did was use a more serious and passionate tone to convey the importance of content creation. So it's basically walking you through the steps of how to improve your speaking style as if it was a vocal coach in this situation. Then what we could do is make it more concise, upbeat, make it 500 words, change the style a little bit, and really tailor it to the specific presentation or speaking that you are doing.